Sorry guys, Scotty's in a lot of pain today, so I don't know how much I'm going to be able to get done. Okay, so if Bernsey wants to put everything over here, I'll put a light on. There we go. So we have finally got the fan off. That was a small nightmare. So here's our pulley. Here's our fan, and we got to be careful because that's fragile vintage aluminum.
Aluminium.
Aluminium, yes, you are correct. So now we're trying to get the cover plate off because we're dropping the engine out of the bottom of the RV, so we don't want to take the RV up too high in the air that we're causing danger. So we're removing as much as we can off the top of the engine so that when we drop it out, we only have to pick up the RV just that ever so little bit and we can slide the engine out, which will be great. So the problem being,
Some silicone bomb.
oh, here, I'll pull a piece. You don't even have to look far. It's all over the place. So now it's trying to get this thing off. So, did you bring that screwdriver in? That might work. No, it's too big. Got to do that screwdriver. Don't have a choice on that one. If you can grab that for me, sir, that would be amazing. If 15 inches is too big, what do you think 27 inches is going to do?
I don't want to know.
Right? Thank you, sir.
Smudge.
All right. Oh my God, this is going to be an absolute nightmare. I mean, look at this. It's just silicone bombed absolutely everywhere. And thank God this customer more than understands. Hi, Mark. How are you doing, by the way? More than understands that it takes time to get things done, especially when you're running into something like this that the client didn't know about, we didn't know about. God, that's a lot. So yeah, this is going to take a couple minutes. I got to see if I can find something else I can pry in there to try and pop it up because it's just not moving. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, we will bid you a fond farewell, at least for the moment, and come back and hopefully be able to show you a video of this done, because when this is off, Scotty's done for the day.
Scotty's going night-night.
Yeah. I'm in a lot of pain today.
Okay.
So, on that note, guys, au revoir.